Okay. Magandang araw mga bossing. Ito na naman tayo. Yan, bali yung pyesa natin for today's video. Isang peacock feather. Yan, tapos lalagyan natin ng floral tattoo or flower. Yan, additional yan sa size. Para magmukha siyang one piece. Yan, ganyan ang gusto ni madam. Ayan, pakalapat muna natin yung stencil niya mga bossing. Yan, full house tayo for today's video. How about your name, bro? We gotta put your name.
Isaac. E-O-T-A-Y. That one I want a big red. I want a red cross there.
Okay.
Is that multiple?
Yep.
Is it multiple?
Yep. And
But still be able to see your name, you know.
At ito na, game na tayo mga bossing. Checking stencil muna. Yan, alright na kay madam yung angulo ng mga design. Gawin na natin. Yan, at yung gamit nating needle dito mga bossing, 9-liner tayo para medyo makapal. So, hindi naman kasi realistic yung gagawin nating flower. Parang neo-thread siya. Yan mga bossing. Ganyan lang yung paglilinya natin.
Ang pakiramdaman.
At dito makikita nyo mga bossing, kukulayan na natin yung flower ni madam. Yan. Bali, tapusin na natin to para wala nang babalikan mamaya. At yung tirada natin dito medyo may gigil para pasok na pasok agad yung kulay, yung mga bossing. At sa mga gustong matry yung tusok natin mga bossing, pasya lang kayo sa shop. Located at Walking Street, Angeles, Balibago. Angeles City, Balibago. Yan mga bossing. Pero Red Street na ngayon mga bossing, pinalitan na yung pangalan. Yan, thank you for watching pala lagi mga bossing. Sana wag kayong magsawa sa kakanood. Maraming salamat po mga bossing. At dito lalagyan na natin ng highlights, white highlights. Yan mga bossing. Yan, napakasarap niyan para wala nang balikan talaga. Yun. At ako kung mga bossing, kung makikita nyo lagi sa aking mga video, yung aking mga gawa mga bossing, naglalagay lang ako ng white talaga, konti lang. Yan kasi okay na siya eh. Para sa akin lang mga bossing. Yan, konti lang. Okay na. Kung yung design natin or pyesa mga bossing realistic o realism, yan pwede kayong magpondo ng puti dyan mga bossing. Para mas lalong mag-pops out yung design natin o makita yung details. Yan mga bossing. Diba? At napakatibay nga ni madam mga bossing. Taga Manila pa yan mga bossing. Dumayo dito sa Clark. Yan, Pampanga. Yun. Ano siya par? Ha? Ano ito? The girl would pull out his hair and I pulled it out with me before she left.
Yeah.
Sitting out the front. As I was walking up here, I just pulled it out of
Mandaling edit.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's it. I just wanted to end it go.
Yeah.
Oh, geez, that's nice and bright, fellas. Good colour. Looks good. Yeah. In trick that white wasn't a thing.
He certainly knows what he's doing.
Oh, yeah. One on his legs, the best I've seen. Yeah. Better than Rocky's work. Yeah, for sure. Amazing.
Headstock for me.
Oh, wow.
That's a Fender headstock, a Strat.
That's perfect.
Isn't that unreal?
Yeah.
An ACDC bell. Yeah.
That's perfect. I like the headstock, mate.
Yeah.
That's beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just about running
All the
out of
strings,
room.
all dead straight, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful.
He did
Good job.
amazing. Yeah.
Before
Look,
they
these
start.
people that come in and say, I want this, and here, they may want that, but when they're done, they're not happy. They should listen to their artist.
Yep,
And if you don't trust your artist, you shouldn't be going to it.
that's right. Yep.
Right, Benji?
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
Right.
Magkita gari sila yan, Mark.
The old mate's got there. That hurts.
Yeah. And then these people with lots of money, they go and get a regular anesthesiologist and puts them out. And
Yeah.
they'll do like their whole back down their legs and everything.
Because it's tough to get sun.
What's that up the back of that?
Like right there, yeah. Just on the top of your bicep.
Yep.
It doesn't hurt. They say this is like, well, imagine saying this is like they're going to do tattoo comps. This is the main area they use because it's not supposed to hurt, but I found it hurt. It really hurt.
And a lot of them, just how heavy-handed your artist is too.
True,
You know,
yeah.
I mean, he's very light and fast. They
Yeah.
go, they don't
Yeah.
screw around.
Yeah.
I love their work.
I'll be able to do this.
Yep, yep. And the perception.
Ay, ang cute pala.
Oo,
It's so cute.
cute siya.
It's in Australia, you have a de facto relationship, and that's it. She's entitled to half. Crazy. No. 3 months, and she gets half of his 50 years of work. Isn't that bullshit?
Yes, it is.
Vince, nagaya ka na sa akin na konti lang yung tissue mo ngayon ah. Okay.
That's great, bro.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
Yeah, that's weird, bro. Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah,
Ah,
yeah. You're
Sarap ng yelo, no?
Ganda.
Tama ba?
Hindi pa. Ayun, open ko na.
You okay, bro?
Oh, yeah.
Still recovering?
Do what?
Still recovering?
Yep.
Nakakondisyon ka naman, no, Par?
Okay. Condition naman pala. Noon si Ivano punta doon, sila magkapatid.
Sino?
Ivano.
Kailan?
Yung kailan?
Yung ano?
jogging to.
Yung jogging siya?
Namigay siya ng mga ipon.
Hindi ka Dapat may mga cellphone natin.
Sabi ko sa kanya, friend, lahat to sabi ko, gawin natin, wag lang yung ano ako. Wag lang yung maasa ako. Pati yung mga buwak, naki-highlights ko yan. O, sabi ko, ganda yung masabi.
Ano ang headline niya?
Kasi yung mga dahon niya, kulay red, hindi green.
Kasi four na daw. Kulay iba.
Mayari yun. Mayari yun din
Bakit may itong foreigner tayo yung mandat mo kong babae?
You know?
Dahil itong foreigner, itong babae yung lalaban.
Roman style. Roman style.
Tawagin ng pang-highlight siya na alam ginawa niya.
Wala akong kain.
Alam di natin yan.
Bakit nga balo kong kain? Gawa mo.
Hindi siguro. Hindi ko friends.
At yun, ito na tayo, yung pabula natin na bula muna natin mga bossing. Yan, napakalakas mo, madam. Natapos mo. One session na 2 hours. Yan, inabot ng 2 hours mga bossing yan, ha. Yan, napakadaming pabula niyan mga bossing. Pera ka? Ito na mga at ito na yung finishing natin, ha. Yun. At congratulations pala sa iyo, madam, natapos mo. Yan, balik ka sa susunod. Alright, thank you mga bossing sa panonood sa aking video. Yan, have a nice day sa inyong lahat. God bless po. Yan. Thank you again po. Tibay mo, tibay. Nakakondisyon ka.